Hey guys, what's up? So today it's the 14th of December and I stayed up yesterday really late to watch Six Underground, the new movie on Netflix. And I'm pretty excited actually this morning. It's kind of freezing outside, so we put this one on. And my jacket, it's hard to put the jacket with one hand, right? Technique. It's all about technique. So I actually get a call from Claudio, from Motor One, and he's telling me about this idea he has of trying the actual damn car of the movie. And I mean, the movie just came out, came out yesterday, right? Today is the 14th. You don't believe, right? Have that face, guys. You don't believe it. Where's my phone? I left my phone up after I show you it's the 14th. I ain't fooling nobody. Good morning. How cute is that? What else? So the car's coming here because I have to put a hydraulic handbrake on, because like 6 cars have been used for the movie, and from what I understood, only 2 survived. Good morning. Good morning. From what I understood, only 2 survived. So, what happens? Sorry. I have to close my jacket, otherwise I'm gonna get a cold. My deep lifestyle, Los Angeles. Super freaking cool jacket. So what happens is that only 2 survived. One has a sequential gearbox and one has a manual gearbox. So I please ask for the manual gearbox, as you can imagine, right? Not sequential what you think, like with the clutch and like a racing sequential has that paddle shift stuff, right? That for drifting is not ideal. Then the car's going to arrive this morning. We're gonna put the hydraulic handbrake because next Wednesday, I have the shooting with this car, right? And I think Dean and Asbo did the stunts for the movie, you know, but now it's time. Yeah, Mr. Bay, why didn't you call me for the stunts in my country? We'll talk about that after. But now the car is ready to have some real fun with no like restrictions, like action, stop, no. Just gonna do what I want for a whole day. Sounds awesome. I was dreaming of an Alfa Romeo Giulia quadrifoglio from like 2 years, you know, to try it. I never had the occasion, and now I have a big one, okay? So I'll keep you updated on everything. Yo, I was missing something big. You have a huge occasion now. You have the occasion to hear GG1 with a cold start. Check it out. I put it, okay? Check it out. Nothing like the good sound of a Boxster engine in a cold start. They're rowdy. Good morning. That's so cute. Oh. And this girl today, she's called the GG1. She's the first car that Triple F built, you know, and this car kind of started everything, got us really hyped, and so big respect to GG1. I love her. Yeah, I love her. How sad it is to say that you love a car, but it's not sad for me, because she's gonna lend the hydraulic handbrake to the Giulia, and we call her, so she's like a green lady, right? So Lady Green, Lady G, Lady, okay? So she's Lady. I keep you updated, okay? Guys, she has arrived. She's inside here. She's inside here. Cold start. From 6 underground. Ooh, carbon brakes, guys. Nello, missione compiuta. Grazie. So let's go in and check now. What is the situation with the handbrake, because I'm really excited. I want to actually try the car as soon as possible. So we're here at Ace Racing, and it's Acerni Custom Engineering, and these guys are the guys that do all my fabrication when I'm in Italy. I'm pretty excited as always, you know, to be honest. Here we are. She's ready to go on the lift. So Micheal did the bracket. So we're switching off the battery, right? Because this car has so much electronics that if she understands that the pressure of the brakes go down, she gets pretty pissed, they said. What's this? This is a crostatina al cioccolato of a mulino bianco. If you don't eat the mulino bianco one, it's not a crostatina, it's like something else, you know. We're a little bit picky on those things. Will not make her understand nothing. She will wake up with a hydraulic handbrake, you know. It's like, I mean, no, I was thinking of something like, something bad. The mans here do all this stuff. They did all the fabrication on the yellow Toyota. Quite a long time.
That's a piece of history. You know what it is, Fede? Look at this.
Willys.
It's Second World War Willys MB Jeep, 1942.
He's so American, really. I mean, you can take a look of the shop app. I think we need to start doing like this now. So they're talking about the strength of the bracket, right? Because when I have to pull, everything has to stay together. So let's try this vision, right? All the bloggers do the one from above. So let's see at what point they are, okay? Pier, metti I tubi adesso?
Tubi? Del roll bar?
No, i tubi l'hai già montato tutto?
È tutto a posto, già provato, già tirato 2 leve lì. Sì.
Welcome to Acerni Custom Engineering. No joke, really. They're a little bit nuts.
Mettiamo I raccordi adesso. I codi sono già fatti, sono già messi e funziona anche.
Letteralmente sono andato a mangiare un boccone e sono tornato, non sto scherzando,
Has started and we're right here inside the venue while I have all this to play with. Okay, this is a huge place. They're getting ready. The car is here. We got our Alfa man, Stefano there. There you go. He takes care if the car gets angry, you know, he just shoves in with the computer and does his job. So I'm pretty excited actually, and really looking forward to try this green beast.